Here is a wonderful 2022 Volvo XC60. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. This meticulously crafted XC60 delivers refined comfort and industry-leading safety features wrapped in sleek, contemporary style. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated rear seat, power driver seat, electronic stability control. Crisp, clean lines and quiet confidence are yours in this superbly built XC60. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.